Hello guys and welcome back for another tutorial. Today I will show you how to integrate Asana and Zapier, and to do so it's very easy. So first you'll need to actually create an account on Zapier and then go on and create a news app. And to do so you'll just need to go to this little icon here, automation products, and then go to Zaps and the plus icon to create a news app. Okay, so now once you are here, this is the editor. So you will need to create a trigger event. So here I will just go on and search for Asana. So it might show up at first, or you can just write it. And here, once I have chosen Asana, I will have to choose a trigger event. So here you can choose whatever you want from these. So let's say I want the updated task, right? Here I want to choose my account. So here I can either change it or use my actual account. I can also connect a new account if I want to, and then click on continue. Now for the configuration here, I can choose my workspace, my project. Here I don't have any, but you can just choose your project here and then your field. So for the field, let's just say, for example, completed. Let's just go to test here, and then you can test your trigger. And then for the action, here let's go to the Google Sheets, for example. And now once I am in the Google Sheets, I will create a action event, which is, for example, create spreadsheet column, for example. And here I can connect my account. And then I will just go on and click on continue and then test it. After that, I will just go to test run to run the whole process and then click on publish. And that's it. Basically, you will be done. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe if it helped you.